If you're thinking about something different for the 4th of July, think about the Pacific Northwest. How about some wild-caught Alaskan salmon? There we go. I got the pit lit. It's running, and I got it set to 210, so it's going to take its time coming up to that point. I'm going to run this with pecan and cherry chunks. Maybe slip in some apple chunks there as well. Just lots of fruit when it comes to salmon, but yeah, I'm going to baste one with honey and pineapple, and I'm going to baste the other salmon fillet with a raspberry chipotle sauce, blues hog to be more specific, and also some pineapple chunks on that as well. So it's kind of a competition between the two, see which one will turn out better. I'm kind of leaning towards the blues hog, but you just never know. All the salmon's in and running. If you're gonna do this, it's gonna go fairly quickly. I've got the smoker all the way down at 200. We're gonna take this to 125. That's most chefs' preferences, is right at 125. After that, it starts to firm up a little bit too much. So we're gonna get it off at 125 and eat it immediately. I'm not gonna let it cool or carry over. So we're just gonna get it off at 125 and eat. So I've also got a slab of coho in there. It is wild caught coho salmon, not Copper River. The other two Copper River salmon, they are sockeye. They're not kings. Okay, so I don't want to see those comments in there. We all know that kings is it's the best fish in the world. These are sockeyes, but they're still Copper River sockeyes. You still want, if you check the prices on those, they're still worth more than the traditional sockeye. And they just taste fantastic. So yeah, they're rubbed up, ready to go. Cruising right now. They've probably got another half hour to go. All right, let's give these a check. This top one here, this is the one that was rubbed up with the raspberry. We're at 119, it's getting close, about 5 degrees away. This was the honey. Oh, we're there. Pretty close. Yeah, we're about to get that one off, and then this one was also raspberry. A little thicker, so it's taking a little bit longer. We're gonna go ahead and start to think about getting those off. But the raspberry chipotle and the honey, great heart healthy options. Very low sodium, if not at all. And yeah, great option for you. All right, guys. That salmon is so good. It's not even funny how good it is. I would like the raspberry chipotle the best, but my wife liked the honey. So I mean, it's just your preference. Man, you got to give it a shot. It's really good. Wild caught Alaskan salmon. So good. Catch you next time.